So this is a new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. As you can see, it has 3 camera sensors and a 4th periscope. So you can actually get that 100x zoom. If you look closely, you can see the space zoom on there. It's a considerable space, bump for the camera module. Still no headphone jack. In terms of design, it looks a lot like an S10. You got the same kind of beveled edges, glass front and back, microphone on the top. Does have memory card slot, and yeah, it's a pretty big phone. This is it next to the S20, which is considerably smaller. I believe that's a 6.2 and this is a 6.9. So they're pretty big difference in terms of size, but they have the same processor. The difference is the S20 Ultra has millimeter wave as well as sub-6 5G. All versions of the S20 have 5G, but this is the most expensive one. Comes standard 12 gigs of RAM, 120 Hz displays, pretty fast responsive, and it's designed to really be the flagship phone for Samsung for the next year. Other than that, I think you've got a lot of specsmanship. There's actually a version of this phone with 512 gigs that has 16 gigs of RAM in addition to having 5G and millimeter wave. So this is really the flagship phone. As you can see, they moved the front-facing camera into the front. Middle is the front as opposed to the corner where it used to be over here. And it's a 40 megapixel sensor on the Ultra, and I believe 12 megapixels on the others. But yeah, that's kind of a quick look at the S20 Ultra and the S20.